Alright, let's talk about the humerus. So you want to be able to tell, if you're looking at a bone, you want to know whether it's the right or left, and which is the anterior and which is the posterior side. So that's not too hard on the humerus. We know that this is the proximal end because that's the head. This is the distal end that will be involved in the elbow joint. We can tell posterior from anterior by this fossa in the back, this olecranial fossa. So the ulna is going to slide in to that joint, right, as we're moving our elbow. The ulna is going to slide right in there as we straighten the elbow. So we know this is the posterior side. So let's look at the anterior side. This is the head of the humerus. This is the lesser tubercle. This is the greater tubercle. It's bigger, right? This is the intertrabecular sulcus. A sulcus is something that is in kind of like a ditch. So here you see that the pipe cleaner fits into that intertrabecular sulcus. All right, and that comes right on down. All right, here we have the deltoid tuberosity. So that's where the deltoid muscle inserts into the bone so that we can lift our arm. This entire section is called the shaft. This area is the surgical neck. This is the anatomical neck. Anatomical neck. Let's see if we're getting it right. Anatomical neck is like that. Surgical neck is there. All right, we're still looking on the anterior side. Now we're looking at the distal end. This is the medial epicondyle. This is the trochlea. This is the capitulum. This is all considered a condyle. All of this together is considered a condyle. This is the medial epicondyle. Here you have a lateral epicondyle. On this example, it's not very clear. Coronoid fossa, right? Coronoid fossa there. So capitulum and trochlea make up the condyle. This is the anterior surface. All right, let's flip it over. Here is the head. There's the anatomical neck, surgical neck, greater tubercle. Olecranial fossa right there. And now we have the medial epicondyle faced this way. So this is on the right. Lateral is the right humerus. Lateral epicondyle is a little bit more visible from this side. And there is our olecranial fossa. Okay. So that was a real bone. This is a model showing us it's considerably larger, right? So there's the head, right? There is the lesser tubercle, greater tubercle, intertrabecular sulcus, deltoid tuberosity, medial epicondyle. So this one is a left. This one goes, no, that's not right. Yes, this one is on the left. This one is a left humerus. So there is our medial epicondyle, trochlea, capitulum, lateral epicondyle. Flip it over. This is our head. This is our greater tubercle. And there's our olecranial fossa. All right.